What is a fraction? Recall the basic concept of division. We remained the remainder. But what if we can split the remained apples and distribute them? For example, why not split one apple into 3 equal pieces and then take one of them? In this case, we call the amount of the piece 1/3, and write like this. A similar notation is also available. What if we have 2 pieces? Then we say we got 2/3. In general, any number represented as a over b is called a rational number. Of course, b must not be 0 to make any sense. A tricky part is that sometimes fractions look different or equal. For instance, taking 1/3 and 2/6 are actually the same. Here's a general rule. You can remove or multiply common factors from both numbers of a rational. This fact allows you to make fractions of the same amount as many as you want, but the simplest one is rather special. It is called the irreducible fraction. How to find the irreducible fraction from a given fraction? Since we have to remove the largest common factor, reduce GCD of 2 numbers, and then you get the irreducible. Here's another way to represent a fraction. When we have a number, and a dot, and 1, it means we have 1/10 more. Similarly, as we go right after the dot, the numbers we write become smaller and smaller, by the factor of 1/10 each step. This notation allows us to divide without making any remainders. For example, consider dividing 10 by 7. The quotient is 1, and the remainder is 3. However, what if we think 10 is an infinitely long number? Then we can divide further, getting an infinitely long decimal fraction. Did you find a pattern? Any such division makes a pattern, and this is a general phenomenon. Whenever a decimal fraction has a pattern, it is called circulating. So we have observed that every rational is circulating. If you wonder why, please try some examples and find out.